Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon, good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Loser unboxing. Okay, so first I will try this microphone. Right now I am just using the cell phone and without any microphone. I just get addicted into trying something new. Okay, this one is connected normal sound. Because this one is not connected, I will show you later. Okay, let's do it. Plug it in. I think this way. So this is noise reduction. 3 buttons. So this is a reverb. So it's like a mixing sound. So it's better I speak slowly, and I will put it in my collar. I will put it in my collar instead of holding it right to my mouth. Okay? Okay, so this one is normal mode. Now we are going to do just as I usually do, and I am not whispering, just to talk like it is. And the other day, previously I have done some loser unboxings, and let me explain what is loser unboxing. Loser unboxing is when I have the best product, when I have something that I like, and this company does not sponsor me. I lose my money, I spend my money, not lose my money, I spend my money to buy it. Why it is called loser unboxing? At the very beginning, very first time when I start to do this kind of unboxing things, I have something pretty, I have something that make me excited, I want to show to the world. So I did a video, and then I saw other people, hello dear friends, that no, they do not say hello dear friends, they say something else. Hello, hey guys, I got this sponsored by da 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 da. And immediately I felt so bad. They can get sponsorship, and I was such a loser that I do not get sponsorship. I have to buy it by myself. So that's the true origin of loser unboxing, because I was a loser, or I felt I was a loser. And slowly I start to get 1 or 2 sponsorship, not in the sense of money, but they give me a free product. So I change into winner unboxing because I do not pay. And so eventually I kept that word loser unboxing because I find it cute. And a lot of friends have this self-sarcastic and self-acceptance, this humor, and find this interesting, find this okay to accept, which is echoing my sense of feeling myself. So this is why we call it loser unboxing. And it becomes something that recognized. Whenever I say loser unboxing, whenever people see the title loser unboxing, the people who knows it knows that these are the good products. And some friends even say when they buy something, they say loser unboxing, it becomes a kind of inside nickname, inside word. It becomes an inside word. Now you hear it, you understand it, you are the insider also. Okay, so one friend said we should do more shopping in the shop instead of online shopping. So I went to, and I find, oh, I can go around. But that's the good thing. I am going to another room to get my scissors. Oh, that is good. I do not need to worry about the distance. I am actually at the door, and I think you can hear equally fine, right? So, and I went to the shop, and I went to two shops. So the first shop I went to, and I found this. I look at the mirror, and I find this very dark one is actually, oh, that's a very smart design. The very dark one is actually a little bit too dark in comparison with my hair. And this one seems quite good. So 2 out of 1. 1 is at least there is one good. And my hair is black and white or silver white. It feels quite all right with this one. And these kind of things get broken, get used or get broken, cassé, very easily. So I am not intentionally wasting, sorry for the sound, I am not intentionally throwing away anything, but it just naturally happens. So it's okay to buy a little bit more, right? And especially $3 for 2, $6 for 3, no, $4 for 2, $7 for 3, and it's within my affordable range, and it's large enough. I have something smaller, and this one is large enough. I like it. And it looks like a butterfly. And on this side, it looks like, oh, I like it. Let me try my hair. This is the old one. You have seen my looser unboxing of that one. Now I try this one. And tomorrow you will see, oh, wow, how do I look? Maybe you can see how I look, right? Okay, I lift it up. I think you can see. How does this look? Is this here? Okay, raise up a little bit. I think we are good, right? And this one is very light. This one is very light. Oh, I do not need to turn my head to talk. I can just talk that way, this way. And I have my clothes like this. And I have some yellow clothes also. Oh, this one is a little bit too loose. It may be not a very good idea to be so light. Learn something. And this one. So all the hairs are bundled in. All the hairs are bundled in. And let's try this one. Do you see it? Is this? Oh, it's okay, I think. Yeah, and the hair is a little bit loosened up this way. This might be not the best choice for my hair because I don't have a lot of hair. This kind will be better. Anyway, that's about it, and I think they are good. Okay. Do you see me? Okay. I have fun with these things. Maybe I can do something here. Put a bundle of silk or something. But this is really light. I know it is not strong and eventually will break. Life happens. And it is pretty, and that is enough. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye.